Hello students, let us learn about the types of software. Okay students, let's now talk about application software. These are sets of programs developed by programmers in order to perform specific types of jobs like beautifying the documents, doing calculations, arranging data in an organized manner, making airline or railway reservation system, etc. Computer languages are used to create these types of software. The application software can be further divided into two categories. Number 1. General purpose application software packages. Number 2. Special purpose application software customized software. General purpose application software packages. These software can perform many tasks to fulfill the general needs of users. Some of the examples of general purpose application software are word processing software. A word processor helps us to create professional-looking documents quickly and efficiently. It provides many features to change the appearance of text in the desired manner. You can easily add, delete, rearrange or beautify the text and can even produce a hard copy of the document as per the requirement. Examples: Microsoft Word, WordPad, OpenOffice.org Writer, etc. Electronic spreadsheet. A spreadsheet program helps us to perform calculations and display the data in the form of a chart to analyze it in a better way. It is used for creating documents to manage and organize numerical data. Some of its application areas are financial accounting, cost analysis, interest calculations, etc. VisiCalc was the first computer spreadsheet program. Examples: Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, OpenOffice.org, Calc, etc. Database Management System (DBMS). Each one of us uses database unknowingly in our daily routine. For example, managing telephone directories, payroll information, etc. Database software helps us to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized manner. You can easily create, add, find, update, sort, search, print, and retrieve the information stored in a database. Examples: Microsoft Access, OpenOffice.org Base, FoxPro, Oracle, etc. Presentation software. It is used to present an idea of concept in a lively manner. This software helps you to create and display slides on a computer or a projector for business and educational purposes. It lets you create slides, charts, animation, and video clips. Examples: Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice.org Impress, Adobe Flash, etc. Desktop publishing software. This application helps you to combine both text and graphic features to design professional documents like newsletters, printed forms, advertisements, books, brochures, posters, magazines, etc. Examples: CorelDRAW, Adobe InDesign, Quark Express, etc. Graphics software. It is used to create images such as charts, graphs, photographs, logos, cartoons, and much more. Examples: Paint, Photoshop, AutoCAD, Dreamweaver, etc. Multimedia software. It is used to create video, animation, sound, graphics, and text with a high degree of interaction. Examples: Game software, Windows Media Player, Windows Movie Maker, etc. Special purpose application software, customized software. The software which are designed to meet the specific needs of any user are called specific purpose application software. Examples: Tally, Busy, etc. Such software are also known as customized software. Some of the customized software are reservation system, billing system, payroll system, etc. Students, let's know more. Software is usually written in high-level programming languages that are easier and more efficient for humans to use, closer to natural language than machine language. High-level languages are compiled or interpreted into the machine language object code. Okay, students, let us take a recap of this chapter. The software is a collection of programs that are stored and run on the computer hardware and help users to work on the computer. The software is of two types: system software and application software. System software is a collection of programs that controls the overall operations and internal working of a computer system. An operating system controls the overall activities of a computer. Utility programs perform specific tasks related to managing a computer, its devices, or its programs. A language processor plays a vital role in translating the programming language into machine language. Application software are sets of programs developed by programmers in order to perform specific types of jobs.